Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off your airbag, your passenger's airbag on a Dacia Sandero Stepway. Have a seat at the passenger side, inside the car, of course. Then open the passenger's door and turn your view at the right side of the cockpit. There it is. There is a switch. This switch will turn off or turn on your airbag system on the passenger side. To unlock this button, you have to push it a little bit. At the same time, you can rotate it to the off position. Then let's try it that the airbag system is off because or while you are installing a child seat on the passenger side. Switch on the ignition, start the engine, and then you can see at the center of your cockpit style here over there is an LED on. That means the passenger's airbag is switched off. This is information for you because when you are going to let the child seat out of the car, then the first thing you have to do is switch on the airbag, because then standard passengers will have a seat on the passenger side, and this passenger likes to have an airbag in case of emergency. If you switch on the airbag system, you can see after the engine is running, the LED switch off. That means your airbag system is already on at the passenger side. That is how it works. It is really important to get it off if you install a children's chair on the passenger side, and switch it back on if you disassembled this seat again. So that it is how to switch it on and off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Airbag system is security system. It's really important to get this system works very well. Soon.